Ya Rabbi tövbe ya Rabbi. Ya Rabbi sen merhamet et ya Rabbi.
Ay gitti. Ay araba gitti.
İkinci araçla gidiyor şu an. Üçüncü. Üçüncü araç mı?
Sen benim motoru yuttu. Sel evin önüne yuttu benim motoru. Lan bu motoru ben yukarı çıkaramam ki. Gitti araba.
Heavy rain in Kadirli and Sumbas districts of Osmaniye caused the Bülbül River to overflow. While 7 vehicles were swept away by the flood, many homes and workplaces were affected by the flood. The heavy rain that started at noon in Kadirli and Sumbas districts of Osmaniye had a negative impact on life. After the heavy rain, the Bülbül River overflowed and 7 parked vehicles were swept away by the flood waters and swept into the river. Maykingal River overflows. Vehicles swept away. The Bülbül River, which runs through the Sehit Mehmet Halith neighborhood in Kadirli district, overflowed due to the sudden increase in its flow rate. As a result of the flood, 7 parked cars were swept into the river. In addition, some agricultural lands in the surrounding area were flooded. After the incident, efforts were made to remove the vehicles from the river with the help of construction equipment. Homes and workplaces flooded. Many homes and workplaces were flooded in the areas affected by the rain. The Kadirli-Sumbas highway was closed to traffic starting from the 20th kilometer. Residents stranded on the road were rescued by firefighters and evacuated to safe places. Following the incident, Osmaniye Governor Erdoğan Yilmaz went to the flooded areas and received information from the authorities. Governor Yilmaz followed the work carried out by the teams on site. The teams worked overtime to drain the water accumulated in residential areas and main roads. Floods occurred in the Kadirli district of Osmaniye due to heavy rains at night. As a result of the flooding in 3 rivers in the district, vehicles were swept away. Some residents were trapped in their vehicles, and power outages occurred in many neighborhoods. The heavy rains that fell in the region negatively affected life. Due to the heavy rains, floods occurred in the Bülbül, Sirinler, Serinusek, and Savin rivers. 6 vehicles were swept away by floodwaters. 14 people who were trapped in their vehicles and swept away by floodwaters were rescued by city teams. There was a power outage in many neighborhoods in the district. City teams continue to work in flood-affected areas.